Late autumn, early winter feel warm to me. I first moved to Japan in early winter. Early winter is when my whole life changed. And it's when my warm memories of Japan start. Hello, I'm Natasha. I was born in Miami, Florida in the US. Now I'm living in Sasebo, Nagasaki, working as an assistant language teacher through the JET program. This is my home and my memories. Welcome to northern Nagasaki prefecture. It's surrounded by beautiful green mountains, lively rivers, and endless sprawling rice fields. It's where I call home. Sasebo, the second biggest city in the prefecture. Famous for the 99 islands or Kakita-sensei, where I've made most of my memories.
We met our first day in Japan and then moved to Sasebo together. Ever since, we've been inseparable.
We came here together for cherry blossom season, and all of these trees were pink. And as the wind blew, it would start to rain cherry blossom petals onto our food, our hair.
For me, I love how every season brings new adventures. In the winter, we cozy up in our kotatsus. In spring, we go on hikes. In summer, there are summer festivals. And in autumn, we go to onsen and see the leaves change.
One of my greatest memories here has been joining the Yosakoi festival. I came to Japan wanting to challenge myself to experience new things, and breaking out of my comfort zone by dancing center stage at the festival with dozens of new friends was by far the greatest. Da-na-da, da-na-da, da-da-da.
Hirado is where I bring everyone that comes to visit me. A town with tremendous amount of history. 40 minutes north of central Sasebo, has some of the most gorgeous scenery. Natural and man-made. I've brought my mom here, my friend's mom here, everyone. As beautiful as Hirado is, it's the people from here that make it extra special. The people that bring you into their homes and share their time and memories with you. In the outskirts of central Sasebo, there's a small town. Famous for our tea, Sechibaru. I wonder what memories live here.
This place reminds me of good time with my family. I like the events held here and the nature that can be seen. 家族で散歩に行って紅葉を見たり、ここの野菜を食べたりしました。ここの野菜はとてもみずみずしくて美味しいです。
To all the people I have met along the way, the ones I can lean on, the ones that have admired the same cliffs as me, the same mountains, the same ocean, the same magic of Japan. Thank you for making my memories warm.